passenger is Cadet Warrant Officer Hope Millar. Flight Lieutenant John Bryson, the second aircraft is Cadet Flight Sergeant Gareth Johnson.
Who's 18.
And the third aircraft is being flown by Flight Lieutenant Chris Ninja Turtle Cadet Warrant Officer Anthony Sedula.
Fantastic. Everybody wave. All the air cadets wave. Everybody wave.
I deeply suspect a day they will never forget.
A wonderful time. It's so magnificent.
Well done. Isn't that great?
And they just love it. I mean, obviously, you know, a lot of what we do is about aviation, but it's also about adventure and just fantastic training.
From the cadets
again, flying past in the Tutor aircraft. What a thrill for them. A fantastic opportunity. They'll be absolutely buzzing for this for the rest of the year. Fantastic. Thank you so much, everybody here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Woohoo! Go cadets!